The crisis in Ukraine is increasing the already high global oil prices, and while the Bank of Korea firmly stated that there is no possibility of stagflation, many analysts are saying that is an overly optimistic outlook, and that there may be concerns if prices continue to rise. Eun-jin reports.
Just this month, South Korean exports increased by nearly 15% from a year ago. Exports have continued to see a growing trend, but concerns remain over increases in the price of imports, which now exceeds exports, resulting in a trade balance deficit. The biggest contributor has been the soaring prices of crude oil, gas, and other such petroleum products. This month marks the fifth month that consumer prices have risen by more than 3%. A predicted rise to 4% by the end of the month would bring the level to its highest in 11 years. The impact of the Omicron variant spreading unabated nationwide is raising concerns over stagflation. But the Bank of Korea says the economy is on track for recovery and that it is not yet considering this possibility.
There has been great inflation pressure, but the global economy is showing a steady recovery, mainly due to the strong recovery of the US economy. I don't think we'll be seeing an economic downturn.
That does not mean all is well. Global oil prices continue to skyrocket, and this has significant impact on the overall domestic economy, which relies heavily on imports of crude oil. Some analysts say that we are now entering what's being called slowflation, where we see high inflation while there is still slow economic growth, a stage seen before stagflation.
I see the greatest possibility of slowflation, where growth is slowed even further, and we can't rule out the possibility of stagflation because of the uncertainty surrounding the Ukraine crisis and global oil prices.
Stagflation and slowflation are both high risks to the economy because they are difficult to respond to with policy changes such as adjusting the benchmark interest rate. Rising prices and slow economic recovery are expected to be the biggest challenge for the new administration when it takes office in May. Eun-jin, Arirang News.